Mechanical ball mouse. This is where it all started. A rubber ball sat at the bottom of the mouse. You moved the mouse, the ball rolled, and the cursor moved on screen. Simple idea. Brilliant for its time. But dust and dirt would get inside and the cursor would start jumping everywhere. You had to open the bottom, pull the ball out, and clean it just to make it work again. It was slow and not very accurate, but without it, none of the mice on this list would exist. Every mouse you will see today is built on what this one started. Optical mouse, same idea as the ball mouse. No ball. A small light shines on the surface under the mouse. A tiny camera inside takes thousands of pictures every second to track how you are moving. No dirt buildup. No cleaning required. Much more accurate. The cursor moves smoothly no matter how fast you go. This became the standard mouse for homes and offices around the world. Flip almost any mouse over right now and you will see that little light. That is an optical mouse. Simple, reliable, and everywhere. Wireless mouse, same as the optical mouse. One difference, no wire. It connects through a small USB receiver or Bluetooth. No cable pulling against your hand. No wire crossing your desk. Your workspace looks cleaner and your movement feels completely free. Modern wireless mice have almost zero delay. You genuinely cannot tell the difference from a wired one. They run on batteries or charge with a cable. The only real danger is forgetting to charge it. Dead mouse in the middle of something important is never a good time. Ergonomic mouse, your wrist is under more stress than you realize. A regular flat mouse makes your forearm twist slightly inward all day, hour after hour, day after day. That adds up. An ergonomic mouse is shaped so your hand rests in a natural position. Less twisting, less tension, less pain building up over time. People who work on computers for many hours a day often develop wrist problems. Switching to an ergonomic mouse is one of the most effective ways to prevent that. It does not look very exciting, but your wrist will feel the difference within the first week. Trackball mouse, you never actually move this mouse. There is a large ball on top and you roll it with your thumb. The ball moves the cursor. The mouse stays completely still. Your arm barely needs to move at all. This takes up almost no space on your desk. If you have a small workspace or your arm gets tired easily, this is worth trying. It feels very strange for the first few days, but people who switch tend to stick with it for years. Once it clicks, it really clicks. Vertical mouse, it looks completely wrong. It works completely right. A vertical mouse stands upright and you grip it like a handshake. That removes the inward twist a flat mouse puts on your forearm all day. Your arm just rests naturally. No strain, no tension. The buttons are on the side and your thumb sits comfortably on the base. It takes about a week to adjust. After that, most people say it feels more natural than any flat mouse they ever used. If your wrist hurts after long sessions, try this before anything else. Simple fix, big results. Gaming mouse. This is where things get serious. A gaming mouse has a sensor that detects movements smaller than a millimeter. It responds instantly. Every flick of your wrist shows up on screen right away. Extra buttons on the side let you trigger actions without touching the keyboard. You can adjust the sensitivity on the fly depending on what you need. In a fast competitive game, the difference between winning and losing is milliseconds. A gaming mouse is built so your equipment is never the reason you lose. Even if you are not a hardcore gamer, the precision alone makes it worth it. It is simply a better mouse for people who demand more. Silent mouse, everything is exactly the same. You just cannot hear it. The click still works. It still feels like a real click. There is just no sharp sound when you press the button. The mechanism inside absorbs the snap so no noise escapes. Perfect for late night work when everyone else is asleep. Perfect for shared offices where clicking drives people around you crazy. Perfect for libraries, quiet rooms, and video calls where background noise matters. Once you try one in a quiet space, going back to a loud mouse feels surprisingly jarring. A small change, a surprisingly big difference. Laser mouse, think of it as an optical mouse with a serious upgrade underneath. Instead of a regular LED light, it uses an infrared laser to track movement. A laser reads surfaces with far more detail and precision. It works on almost any surface including glass, which defeats a regular optical mouse completely. The tracking is smoother and more accurate, especially at high speeds. Designers and professionals who need pixel-level accuracy often choose this one. On the outside, it looks like any other mouse, but underneath, the difference in precision is real and noticeable. Same shape, same feel, just sharper where it counts. Presentation mouse, built for one job. Presenting in front of people. It fits in your hand, connects wirelessly, and controls your slides from anywhere in the room. Built-in laser pointer to highlight things on screen. Forward and back buttons to move through your slides. Some versions even have a small timer display built in. You can walk around, talk to your audience, and gesture freely. No going back to your laptop. No standing stuck next to a desk. It is a small tool, but it makes you look far more in control when you present. Confidence comes from preparation. This mouse helps deliver it. D-Mouse. This is not for most people. It is for a very specific type of work. Engineers, architects, designers who live inside 3D software. It has a cap in the center that you push, pull, tilt, and twist. Each movement controls a different axis in 3D space at the same time. Zoom, rotate, and reposition a model all in one smooth motion. With a regular mouse, that would take several separate actions. With this, it takes one. You use it alongside your regular mouse, not instead of it. For the people it is built for, it completely changes how they work. MMO Gaming Mouse. 12 buttons on the side. All under your thumb. Every single one programmable to do whatever you want. Cast a spell, use an ability, switch a weapon, trigger a shortcut, all without moving your hand to the keyboard. In games where you need to react to many things at once, this changes everything. MMO stands for Massively Multiplayer Online, the type of game this was built for. But editors and designers have started using them for productivity shortcuts too. 12 extra commands always within reach of your thumb. Once you set it up right, you will not know how you managed without it. Touch surface mouse, no scroll wheel, no raised buttons, just a flat, smooth surface. Swipe your finger up to scroll, swipe sideways to go back or forward. It reads gestures just like a phone screen or a laptop trackpad. The Apple Magic Mouse is the most well-known version of this. It looks incredibly clean and minimal sitting on a desk. No extra parts sticking up, just a smooth shell. It works beautifully with Mac computers and the gestures feel natural once you learn them. Some people love it, some miss the feel of a real scroll wheel. Either way, it is genuinely different from anything else on this list. Pen mouse. Hold it like a pen. Move it like a mouse. Instead of gripping a flat device with your whole hand, you hold this between your fingers. That grip gives you much finer control over small and precise movements. It feels more like drawing than operating a computer. Graphic designers and digital artists often prefer this over a regular mouse. For detailed work where small movements matter, the pen grip is simply more natural. It takes some adjustment if you have used a flat mouse your whole life, but for creative work, it bridges the gap between a mouse and working with your hands. Less tool, more extension of your fingers. High-end wireless gaming mouse. This is the best mouse you can buy right now. Full stop. Elite sensor. Zero delay wireless. Body built to be as light as possible. Every component chosen for maximum performance. The feet on the bottom glide on any surface with no resistance. The buttons are rated for tens of millions of clicks without failing. Professional esports players who compete for real money in front of crowds use these. This is the furthest point from that rubber ball mouse at the start of this list. Decades of progress. Hundreds of improvements. All in one device.